y'all, happy Sunday. So I'm here at my storage unit. It's a mess. Just been picking up stuff, dropping stuff off. Ain't been organizing nothing. Got all these empty boxes I need to break down and get out of here. Look at all this stuff. Just made room because the other equipment's on my van that we're using to do these floors. I actually came here to see how tall this ladder goes, but I think now's a good day to clean this mess up. Where's the ladder at? Way back there. Right here. Gotta pull all this stuff out to get it. Alright, y'all, let me just clean up a little bit. And like I thought when I went to the vendors the other day, they gave me the wrong bags. Look at that. Them was white, ain't they? Did I say black? I knew this was the wrong box. So I gotta take them back. Yeah, look at all this stuff, y'all. I gotta organize all the bags from all the different projects. Just brought them back. And see, and you gotta organize this stuff or else you'll be buying the same inventory you already have because you didn't know you had it. You always wanna check your inventory. Okay, look at this. All these caddies, unpacked buckets, and all this stuff. It's embarrassing, but I'm gonna fix it because I need to know what I got. All right, y'all. So I'm getting ready for the second restaurant from the client who found me on ChatGPT. So we're preparing for that job tomorrow. Alright, y'all, so I'll show you guys the before of that restaurant and the after. I actually, because the owner was in the building the whole time when we were cleaning and he was so happy, I missed the opportunity to get after pictures from the first restaurant because those floors turned out amazing. But I won't miss the opportunity for this one. So, okay, you guys, happy Sunday. Talk to you guys on the next video. Okay, y'all, I've been here all day. So let me show you what it should look like so you know what you have. And boy, did I find stuff I didn't know I had. There's so much more space in here. Let me show you. When I first showed you, look at that. Now I can send somebody up here and they can find what they came to get. Where before, nobody could find nothing here but me. And then, shoot, not even me. While I was doing this, I found some tools I can take on that restaurant job tomorrow. Look at that. See, this is how it's supposed to be. And then I still got room for the equipment that's on my van. So all this equipment back here. This is easier to get to than before because I know what's there if I need it. Yeah, y'all got all kind of tools. This is 15 years of being in business. All the things, and this ain't even all of it because used to be a time doing construction projects, I would take all this equipment and the project would be so big that it would be other cleaning companies on it and they would steal my stuff. So I lost a lot of stuff a lot of times. Yep, so I feel accomplished today. Now it's not scary. Walking here is safe. Yep, y'all. So, yeah, this is 15 years of stuff. And then, let me show you, like, see, items like this. Vendor donated it to me. They didn't want them, they gave them to me. All these chemicals here were donated to me and one of my mentees. We went together and loaded up on this stuff. I got a portable machine that can do these bottles. I'm going to install it in my building. But, yep, this is my storage unit. It's like paying another mortgage. But I need it. And this one's climate control. I really needed climate control because in the wintertime your chemicals will freeze. So I needed to be where my stuff was safe. And especially your electronic equipment and stuff. I got this other scrubber back here, this yellow one. I just need somebody to know how to put it together so we could use it. Yep. So I always buy the equipment. Don't mean I know how to use it, but I'll buy it. So I hope we can be efficient and have the tools that we need. Alright, y'all, so I'm done for the day. Get ready for our project. Yep, get ready for the second restaurant. So I'll see you guys on the next video.